Hey there! Welcome to this quick demo of TubeEngine AI, the world's first AI-powered video creation and automation suite that helps you build, manage, and grow your YouTube channels 100% hands-free. Let me give you a complete walkthrough so you can see how simple, powerful, and exciting this platform really is. Dashboard overview. Right after logging in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is basically your command center. Here you can get a complete overview of everything that's happening inside your account, from how many avatars you've created, how many videos you've made, and how many videos you've already posted on YouTube. You'll also see your recently created videos and quick links to jump directly into any workflow, whether it's creating a new video, editing one, or managing your YouTube automations. On the top left, there's a section called Workspace. This is super helpful because you can create multiple workspaces for yourself, your clients, or team members. Each workspace works independently, so you can manage different projects or even run your own agency from one single dashboard. All right, let's get started with the most exciting part, creating videos with TubeEngine AI. 3 powerful video creation modes. Inside TubeEngine AI, you have 3 different ways to create videos. First, avatar videos. Second, AI script to video. And third, videos from templates. We'll go step by step through each of these. First, avatar videos. Click on the Avatar Video tab, and this is where the fun begins. First, you choose an avatar face. You can either upload your own photo or select from 2,000 plus done-for-you avatars available inside the system. Now, before you finalize, you can even choose the avatar style. Whether you want your avatar to remain steady or fully moving with body gestures, expressions, and reactions for a more interactive feel. Let's go with the moving avatar for now, because it adds more life to your video. Next, you'll give your avatar a name and enter your video script. You can either write your own script or simply type your topic idea. And hit the magic wand button. TubeEngine AI will automatically generate an optimized, YouTube-friendly script that's conversational, keyword-rich, and ready to go. Once the script is ready, choose your voice. You can pick from 1,500 plus human-like AI voices in multiple languages and accents, or clone your own voice using a short sample to make the video feel more authentic and personalized. Hit generate, and TubeEngine AI will do its magic, syncing voice, lips, and expressions perfectly. You'll literally watch your static photo come alive and talk naturally like a real human. Let's preview a few of the amazing avatar videos we have already created. All of this without ever touching a camera or microphone.
Are you ready to make sunny Miami your new home? Picture yourself lounging on the beautiful beaches, enjoying vibrant nightlife.
Struggled to find the perfect gift that truly expresses love?
Valued customer. Hello, I am Grace, the founder of the Sparkling Clean Home Services Center.
Anyone for video ads? I've been there too. Gamers, looking for a reliable charger for your Nintendo console? For ordinary when you can gift eternal beauty.
Second, AI script to video creation. Let's jump to the second option, AI script to video. Click Create New Video and give your project a name. This opens the AI video editor. This editor is clean, powerful, and extremely easy to use. Here you can add background music, overlay text and graphics, insert B-roll or stock footage, add emojis, shapes, icons, transitions, include your avatar in any scene, and even personalize your branding with logos or watermark. Want to create short-form videos or YouTube shorts? No problem. Just choose Portrait Mode, and TubeEngine AI will automatically optimize the layout for mobile viewers. Once you're happy with your edits, click Render, and within a few minutes, your video is fully processed and ready to go live. Let's check out some beautiful videos created using this editor. Each one polished, high quality, and 100% AI generated.
Welcome to a world where luxury meets nature's beauty.
Mornings felt dull without a special touch to our coffee routine. Then, I discovered the Kiss Cat Coffee Couple mug set online. City, living at its best, with this conveniently located small apartment in the heart of the bustling downtown area.
Will we stay the same? Do you know what
Welcome to a new way of thinking. Let's explore what's possible. It starts with a fresh perspective and a spark of curiosity. Great things begin with a single step and a bold vision.
Third, done-for-you templates. Next, let's move to the DFY templates. TubeEngine AI gives you access to 100+ pre-designed templates across top niches, like fitness, finance, motivation, travel, health, beauty, tech, and more. You can customize them easily. Just replace the text, update visuals, maybe change the avatar, and you're good to go. These templates are especially perfect for beginners or marketers who want to start creating viral YouTube shorts and videos instantly without worrying about content creation or design. Video controls and management. Once your videos are created, you can manage them easily from your video library. Here you can watch the video, re-edit anytime, download it, delete it, or even mark as favorite for quick access later. But here comes the game-changing feature. You can also directly post your video to YouTube right from inside TubeEngine AI. YouTube posting and optimization, let's walk through this step. First, fill in your title, description, and tags. Now, if you're not sure what to write, don't worry. Just type a rough idea or topic and hit the magic wand button. TubeEngine AI instantly generates SEO-optimized, trending titles and descriptions that help your video rank higher and attract more clicks. Next, it's time for the thumbnail, the most important part of YouTube success. You can either upload your own thumbnail or use the built-in AI thumbnail generator. Simply describe what you want, and TubeEngine AI creates a stunning, clickable thumbnail in seconds. Once done, you can choose publish instantly or schedule visibility, or schedule the video for a specific date and time. Select your video visibility, public, private, or unlisted. Choose the right category, allow embedding if needed, and then hit save and next. You'll get a quick summary page, just to review all details before publishing. Once everything looks good, tick the confirmation box and click publish. And boom, your video is now live on YouTube, fully automated, without ever logging into your YouTube account manually.
Hey everyone! Today, I'm sharing something truly special. The luxury jewelries. Jewelry isn't just an accessory, it's a reflection of who you are.
Analytics, uploads, and YouTube Agent. Now let's go deeper. Inside the YouTube Publisher and Analytics section, you get a full overview of your channel performance. Here you can track every video, its status, total views, likes, comments, and engagement rate. You can even upload your own existing videos from your system to manage them all from one place. Simply click Upload New Video, choose from your device, and it's added to your TubeEngine library instantly. Next, we have the Automation tab, where you can set up detailed auto-reply and commenting rules. Just select your video, add trigger keywords like price, buy, link, or info, and set what you want the AI to respond with. For example, and someone comments, "What's the price?" TubeEngine AI will automatically reply, "Hey, thanks for asking. You can explore our full luxury jewelry collection here, your link." You can add as many rules as you want, and it works flawlessly across all your videos. Below that, you have auto comment setup. This feature lets you send greeting messages automatically to everyone who comments, keeping your engagement alive and your brand voice consistent. Live YouTube action plus auto reply and auto comment. Now here's something you'll absolutely love. After posting, you can actually see the video appear live on your YouTube channel. Let's switch over. Here's the video we just uploaded, live and visible to everyone. Within seconds, viewers start commenting, liking, and engaging. Now watch closely. As soon as a new comment appears, TubeEngine AI instantly replies back, automatically. Let's say a user comments, "This is awesome. How can I get this plan?" TubeEngine AI detects the keyword plan and instantly responds with a personalized reply. Something like, "Thanks for watching. You can check out all details here, your link." It feels like a real human is replying instantly, but it's your AI assistant doing it 24/7. You can also set up auto comments to greet every new viewer who comments, maybe with a warm thank you message, your business offer, or a link to your next video. Imagine your YouTube channel running day and night, replying, engaging, and converting your audience, all automatically. That's the true power of TubeEngine AI automation. YouTube Agent and R&D tools. Next, The YouTube Agent section is where all your research magic happens. Here you can find trending keywords, generate long-form video descriptions, analyze what's working on YouTube right now, and get ready to use AI prompts for your content creation. Basically, this is your built-in YouTube growth lab, helping you research, plan, and dominate your niche effortlessly. Lastly, you've got full control under the agency menu, where you can manage your clients, team, white label, and more. You'll also find settings option. Here you can manage workspace, subscription details, integrations, tutorials, bonuses, and one-click customer support. Everything you need to grow and manage your YouTube automation business easily. So there you have it. From creating realistic avatar video, to generating AI scripts and professional edits, to posting directly on YouTube, to managing your comments, engagement, and automation, TubeEngine AI truly does it all. This isn't just another video tool. It's your complete YouTube business automation suite. Create, post, engage, grow, all powered by AI. So go ahead, step into the future of YouTube marketing and let TubeEngine AI build, run, and grow your video empire on autopilot.